Hi, my name is Wesley and I'm the founder of Creativity Next SEO Solutions, a local SEO agency right here in Rockland, California. If you have a small business and you're struggling to get traffic, you're not getting enough leads from Google, and you just don't know what to do, then this is going to be the right channel for you. On this channel, I'm going to show you how you can use the power of SEO to grow your business, increase your sales, and grow your brand identity online. So if this is the kind of content that you think can help you grow your business, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you get notified anytime that we post any new videos. And finally, I just want to say that I'm here to answer any SEO or local SEO questions that you have, so don't hesitate to put a comment down in the description and I will answer all of those questions myself. Now stay tuned in the next couple of weeks because I'm going to be showing you how to create a brand new local business online using SEO. I'm going to show you from start to finish, so you're not going to want to miss that. Thank you for stopping by the channel. I can't wait to help you grow your business with the power of local SEO.